Abasomia omwancho murigereria bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV chitariki na 23 omutenyi noyo gatano na gatatu omwaka w'echirubu Ibere na 22 enga kibono tuyaleganire kuruga igase studio tokomanye na arariaya agendere togokoreka ase orogongo rwa Gusii no Nyankenya engima ase bali mugotobwatia gwetera senchera ye mitandao tonyore buna Ndizi TV News digital abone nsemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube nekarobwata chinga kinabogo tweet @Ndizi TV News wose ase website yaito ya www.ndizitv.or.ke nekarobwata chinga kinabogo tomekerengeri kiao wetrase namba yesimi eyuere ase TV yao na kwaregana iria talima kege gase studio kabamo na intwe weika omoelio kwirnanda segeke kerebosio egeren kumanye ayo amana yanda mange asenchira yobwenge Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita nule tokubwatira na komo asensemo yebimanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta tigato ya chake korwase kaunti ya Kisii asensemo ya Nyamache eyo gotoka ime abo basi abo asabale mibono baumeranire nabarai gose ababwatani korwase sekta yobolemi abo bagocha koba maigerio igoro yobolemi naende na kibago cha gokinya ebirengo byobolemi ase bimeri basimegete ao gati yabo bisa korwase nsemo yobolemi ngamono molikyo botambe ase wizara yobolemi Dr. Francis Owino no morai gose omwaziri bwobolemi korwase kaunti ya Kisii Hesman Onsaligo molikyoito Hamisi Josephat no ara sensemeyo na igongo kubwatelia roboti uruo ochiko ya nyora senchira yobo ikiranwe kero yaragire ensa eyemo yabono botuko ne komiti elia etenenerete na koroberia igoro yogotianiwa como governor Okabere ase kaunti ya Kisii Paul Simba Arati no mokonyo ye Dr. Robert Monda nigo yatebire emerobero yonsi ya ikeranire abo asomoroberio bogotiania babirabo orakoreke chitarike 25 omutinyoyo iga asegetie kenene kia Gusii Stadium abo ase abamenye bonsi baboliwe wesokia eliokwenekia buna Paul Simba Arati agochia gotianiwa nyora ayanigo negative Nomo County Secretary Patrick Lumumba. Tiga tanyore bono roboti ruaye omo County Secretary Patrick Lumumba oyo kwenekia ngana ki ogotiani wokwo kogocha gwikirani wa chitarike 25 litukuli aramisi ewiki eye.
This is to inform you that the assumption of office of the County Governor Committee for Kisii County is at an advanced stage in the programming for the swearing in of the Governor-elect, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, and Deputy Governor H.E. Dr. Robert Onsare Monda. Following the previous briefing, we hereby announce that the swearing-in ceremony shall be held on the 25th, the year of 2022, this Thursday at Gusii Stadium. This is as a result of the Kenya Gazette notice as prescribed in law number 98/94 dated 17th August 2022. Consequently, we hereby invite members of the public to attend in large numbers and witness the ceremony, which kicks off at 10 a.m. and this time is very strict because it's prescribed in law. Consequently, then the public is hereby requested to be seated by 9 a.m. on Thursday morning at Gusii Stadium. On behalf of the Committee of Assumption of Office of Governor, I thank residents of Kisii for remaining patient as we plan for this big day. I've been sitting together with the chairman of the Security Committee of Kisii County. elaborate security arrangements are being put in place to ensure that the citizens of Kisii hold this function or this ceremony in a peaceful environment. I've got express assurance from the County Commander of Police and more especially the chair of the security committee, who is our county commissioner, that Kisii will be peaceful, and we are asking even the residents who are not already in Kisii to make travel arrangements to come to Kisii. Even our brothers and sisters who are abroad, they are encouraged to get tickets to be in Kisii by Thursday if they can, because Kisii will be extremely peaceful. We expect the stadium of Kisii to fill to capacity.
Omo sacho yomo kefa ondimo kurwa sensema ya ibache kutoka se ward ya kiamo kama nigatangire asegetaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kyaramasha yemagega ya yego samba chinyumba chae na kulema embera yaye ase ya moye chinyumba chae magega y'umugambi bwenseme yo komonyoraga konia na gotumeka enyasore korengana n'umunginoe nigatebire bono batigiro batabwati kende gyonsi nonyane cyanga cy'abana inchiyo ekicyanya twabachiko yera ase nyumbe yo asasabire abasamaria bayawe sokia na komokonya ilio konyora kende egeranya ariko bakagokiniria eamate yaye asebono gosomo kagiru yo nigagendete gutangwa ase Kenya asegetaseni ky'abanyanyimbo kyaramasha
wiki yaye teteritukulia Friday umugambi ageragire kubwati nga dawa ya kurefi bono wansire mbako kwone egaikera bono mugambi omukanirie kyera ere kinyume yesheria amaene nabakurire digosamba none chinyumba nyumba teyo ero nonye nemo musakolgeri na umurochi buna chiyete amaene akairane yaito enene no ari mete kaburime eyedanya alikane tasoe nyumba eyo ebintu byabana amaene no biyerete ima keregendo no keyerete ima mpaka chianga chiakira omuntu igabo nante nene iga maene timbu atikende yonsi igonte nene iga none chimbege denga na basani bangonyire gakingwanja kubaburi abaminto onyore mo wanja gakumokonye familia yeiga abana baende banyare kwende school buna rero iga nanda bale ba class 8 igo bare abana babere class 8 rimo egere bagende nali barati kunyara gukora amatemu abo buya nonye ne bitabu banyore nonye ne karamu banyore
Bono abaiboli nigo cheko babera aororo sechiskuru chonsi aiga sense ya Kenya magega gusena oba kunyara ko baba kubwatya ngana kyabaro kiwa babo bagokora sechiskuru eye magega ye serikali nene wetera se wizara ye chisemi gekoragwa na Professor George Magoha Wachaki morobelio o National Education Management System NEMIS oyora chie kobera aurora baiboli kuligerelia na kubwatya na kiabarokiwa babo bagokora ase chiskuru kolengana na Magoha nigatebiro morobelio yoiga no chako kwenana na korwa obwasio ku igoro yagokora kwa barokiwa bonsi asense ya Kenya morobelio yo nigo chagetigweli tukuli igoro alia somoche o Nairobi.
This NEMIS thing is going to ensure that whoever you are, if you are given money to do certain things, if teachers are going to apply for capitation as they are supposed to apply directly, they will apply for capitation for Kamau, son of Njoroge, who is alive, who is in NEMIS. Are we together? You are not going to have a situation where you can add Onyango who is not there, or any other figures.
Currently, as it is, are there verifiable. So we can actually say that we have data within NEMIS. So the only thing that this new NEMIS is that it's an upgrade of that one. It has introduced security features that makes it more robust in that they cannot easily be manipulated. And also it's also responding to the Data Protection Act, individual children, so that if you talk about an UPI or a NEMIS code for a child, it's not just a number, it's actually pointing at an individual.
Ne merobelio yonsi ya ikiranire bosio bwocha komotiani mu governor machore bwe county ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata abwase morobelio yo ogocha gokoreka asegeti kia Ihura Stadium abwase kolengana n'umuterneri we committee eliekora ngana kyogotiani wakwaye Kang'ata kogocha gokoreka aselieta Patrick Mukuria ayene kirebuna babekire merobelio bene na kwaregania bamenyi bonsi korwase county ya Murang'a gocha se egeti ekyo kia Ihura eligocha kwenekia buno mu governor wa machore agocha gotianiwa na gocha kemeremo eliogo konya ebirengo by'amagima y'abamenyi be county ya Murang'a.
Dr. Irungu Kang'ata atakuwa anaapishwa kuwa gavana wa county ya Murang'a. Kwa hivyo hiyo kamati imekuwa ikitayarisha mambo kama hiyo, kutayarisha miradi ambao tumekuwa tukifanya ndio akifika ajue county iko wapi, kuangalia rasilimali za county, pia tutakuwa tunampatia mambo kama hayo na mengine mengi. Kwa hivyo tumejitayarisha kabisa, kila kitu iko shwari. Mnajua kilele ya hiyo sherehe itakuwa ni wakati atakuwa anapatiwa zile instrument of power ambao tutapeana ile bendera ya county na ile muhuri ya county pia tutampatia constitution ili kuonyesha kwamba utawala umetoka pande hii umeenda mahali ingine. Kwa hivyo tunauliza watu members of the public wajitokeze kwa wingi ili tuweze kujumuika pamoja kwa hii siku ambao ni ya
narayo asebono mwanchu muligeria somo basobono kulende tomo chako baime Ndizi TV nero bwansi bomugusi ekiagera chikoraga chinsa ikomi chabano magoroba na indenkwira na tora igasemese mangana maya egera tokomanye aliagendrete gwateka ime na isiko yorogongorwa gusi twakangambia mona asibali mwensi mwaligereire gwetera senchera ye mitandao Ndizi TV News Digital abo Facebook na baigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube na bali mwensi mwatuma ekerengera likeino ni oto wakangambia mono kegima bali to waterana asokwene kya nomorobelio yo owikeira senchera yo botoereru olione kya chibicha neliogi lya wikeira senchera ya bene nigakoro kwa John Kebati nolia to waterana komo asensemo yebimanyerelio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta na inchina ko yaletera senchera yo wenge nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi. Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi nigo bono yakira nikirundekerene nego kurendera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asorogon korbogusi neji county chito etanaine una county ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora aside kode ya Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ekio korentera emerubuli emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV Ubwensu Bwomugusi.